Hello everybody! Today I will show you how to make chocolate lava cake. First, you need to melt the chocolate and butter together. I use this method to prevent the chocolate burning, but you can also microwave this mixture. When they're all melted, I will set it aside and let it cool completely. In a different bowl, I will add in sugar, salt, 1 whole egg, and an egg yolk. I also add a little bit of vanilla extract and then whisk everything really well together. You want this mixture to be foamy and pale. Then I will add in flour and mix until just combined. Pour in the chocolate mixture and mix well. You don't want to overmix. I brush a little bit of oil and coat the sugar on top. This will make it easier to remove and the cake can have slightly crispy edges. For this recipe, I can make 4 small lava cakes. I use ramekins, but you can also use cupcake tins. Now evenly distribute the batter. I use some napkins to clean the ramekins. Then bake at 218 degrees Celsius for 12 to 14 minutes. And there you have it, the best chocolate lava cake. It's so easy and delicious. You can dust some powdered sugar on top or serve with a scoop of vanilla ice cream. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to click the like button, subscribe to my channel, comment down below. Goodbye and see you next time. Bye!